Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be painting a Mario themed carnival ride. I think it's a carnival ride, maybe some sort of bumper cars, or maybe like maybe it's from a theme park when they had like a racetrack. I'm not quite sure. We went to a huge antique festival, antiques and junk and homemade stuff, and it's called the Round Top Warrenton Antiques Fair. Something like that. It's in Texas. We go, man, I've been going every year for 10, 15 years, just seeing what kind of neat stuff I can see and take pictures of things, and always learn about some historical objects that I didn't know even existed. A lot of really neat stuff there. Sometimes I can find some vintage toys and some Star Wars toys and all kind of stuff, books and homemade things and candles and old farm utensils. Every now and then we'll find like this one. I'll see like an amusement park ride or a carnival ride. And this is Mario. I guess it's supposed to be sort of like a Mario Kart. Not quite sure where it came from. It was just actually this particular booth that was selling this had a whole bunch of just stuff piled up. And actually right next to this little car, Mario car, was a boat and a trailer and all kind of stuff. So I didn't get a chance to ask the owner where it was from. I wanted to go ahead and just paint a little picture of it. It was kind of neat. I'd never seen anything like this before. And so I just started with a light pencil sketch to get the proportions right. And then I'm going through with some ink. On this one, I'm actually inking the shadows pretty heavy. Normally I would just kind of paint it in, but I wanted to try and give it a more bold look. And then I'll just go on top of that with some watercolor and fill it in. I'd be interested to look this up online, or maybe some of the viewers know if I'm guessing that whatever ride this came from probably had a Luigi car and maybe Donkey Kong and a princess and a Bowser, but I don't know for sure. Maybe they were all Mario cars, but I bet it'd be pretty neat if everyone had a different character. So if anybody has seen this or knows anything about it, put a comment and a link down there. I'd appreciate it. That'd be great. So hope you enjoy this painting, and I'll probably be doing some more antiques and different things I found from the Round Top Fair coming up. I know I saw a really interesting Ronald McDonald alarm clock. I mean, it's not that fancy or anything. It's just a pretty simple alarm clock, but it's kind of neat. So I might do a painting of that. I saw one of the like the little hamburger ride, like from the playgrounds at McDonald's where you sit on it and it kind of bounces. I think it's a hamburger. So I'll definitely be painting that coming up in the future. So stay tuned for some more antique painting. Anyway, if you like the videos, hit a like and subscribe if you would. And let me know if there's anything else you'd like for me to paint for you guys. So enjoy the painting.